place value. You know what? I like the way Yusuf is sitting right now. But it's really respectful. It shows me he's ready to learn. It's really appreciative. He's allowing me to teach. And also Sydney and Antonio did a phenomenal job. You will get 5 points each for that. Let's discuss protocol. So with that being said, we're going to learn what we know about place value, Alyssa, to find the sum or the difference today with automaticity, with fluency. So today, by the end of mathematics, you should be able to look at a number and tell me one more than a number. So 1 more than 40, the sum is 41. Conversely, you should be able to tell me 1 less than a number. 1 less than 40, the difference is 39. Automatic. So when I say to Veronica, 30 plus 1 is, what is the sum?
The sum is 31.
And I say to Chloe, what's 1 less than 28? What is the difference? What comes right before 28?
29.
That's after. What comes before? For example, what comes before 38 is 37. So what comes before 28? 20. That comes after. 26, 20. So the difference is? Okay. So today in math, I will identify. We're not shouting. I will identify. One more. And 1 less than a number. I will teach. No. I will teach. You will try it out here and then continue to find the sum and difference on your own. So we're all going to need to stand up, because I'm not sure why we're all playing with the materials today, but you're showing me that you can't handle the materials, and I will give you one last chance. Otherwise, we'll go back to paper and pencil, and you won't get a whiteboard or a marker. And I'm referring to my friends right over here. Sit down and slant. When you're in slant, your hands are folded. When you're in slant, your hands are folded. Okay, so really simple, you guys. On your independent practice, you will have problems such as this. You will have tens, and you'll need to tell me 1 more than this number. And occasionally, you may tell me 1 less than a number. Okay? This is very simple today. You should only spend 1 day on this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to count my tens, but I'm going to have you help me count. Let's count.
10, 20, 30, 40.
So the total so far is 40. So let's read together. 1 more than 40. So 1 more than 40 is, what is 1 more than 40 with automaticity spirit? 1 more than 40 is 41. So then, next to it, you have to write your addition sentence today. 40 plus 1 equals 41. See how easy that is?
Yes.
Very simple. All right, let's try this one.
10, 20,
1 more than 20. Kyrie, what is 1 more than 20?
21.
College chocolate.
1 more than 20 is 21.
Kyrie, can you give me the number sentence then? Just like this. What would I write here?
1
Mhm.
plus 1
Mhm. Mhm. Excellent. 20 plus 1 equals 21. If I were to find the difference, Zion, what's 1 less than 40?
39.
College chalk.
1 less than 40 is 39.
Naima, what's 1 less than 20?
21.
That's one more. What's one less? What comes right before 20?
22. 23.
Start at 10 and count to 20. Starting at 10, count to 20 by 1. So 10, 11,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The number is
keep going. I said to count to 20. I didn't say stop at 16. Keep going. So what comes right before 20 when you're counting?
21.
That comes after. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes right before 20? We know it's not 21, so what comes right before 20? 17, 18, 19, 20. Give me your board and marker, Jocelyn. Sit and slant too. You should all be paying attention. This is important. We know that 21 comes after, which is plus 1. We want to know what comes before, which is minus 1. So what number comes before 20? College talk.
What comes after 20?
Before.
Before 20 is 19.
So then what is 1 less than 20?
1 less than 20 is 19.
Thank you. Okay. This will be really easy and it will take you less than a minute. I'll wait. I didn't instruct anyone to do anything. Scratch that. How does it go there? You only have one. So you have two problems. Find the value, write your number sentence. If you have time, you can write this sentence as well. So count, find the number, count, find the number, and tell me one more than these numbers. Yes, ma'am?
Are we supposed to count all of those 10?
Yes. The first problem is all of these 10s, and the second problem is just this 10, okay? You have about 2 minutes. Begin. 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 Okay. Take your pen, please. We're adding one more. And for some of you who need some assistance, you can also draw the 1 to help you, since we're adding one more. Okay? So what number is that? How do you count it? Count it by 10. How many? Start over. Count by 10. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 60. Is that there? Yeah. And we're going to add one. So put 1 here.
Plus 1.
And then 60 plus 1 equals 61. 60. All right. Malachi, what was the value of the 10s we had here?
4.
The value? So let's find the value together. Count with me. 10. So what is the value? College talk.
Value is 60.
So 1 more than 60 is, what is 1 more than 60, Demetrius?
61.
College talk.
1 more than 60 is 60, but
So some of you need to revise. So Naima, you need to fix your answer. Yusuf, likewise. On your board, it should be 60 plus 1 equals 61. We just have a 10 here, so this is really simple, Zaire. This is really simple, Zaire. 1 more than, what is the value? Chloe? What is the value of a 10? It means 1, 10 means 1. Don't overthink it. What's 110 equal? I'm telling you the answer. You have one of these. Does 1 equal 10? No, 1 does not equal 10. What is the value of a 10? What is the value of a 10? You're telling me that 10 equals 1. This is 1. What is the value of a 10? Count all the cubes on there and tell me the value. So what's the value of 110?
the value of 110 is
You just said it.
10.
Thank you. So don't overthink it. 110 equals 10.
Hi, Ms. Maitland.
Yes?
Can I have Veronica for dismissal?
Yes.
That's appointment.
So the value of 110 is 10. And our val, we're adding 1 more. So what is 10 plus 1? When you're counting, what comes right after 10? So the sum is, college talk. The sum is 11. Don't overcomplicate it. Zion, you need to sit on the bench, and that's the last time I will tell you that. And stop writing. 1 more than 10 is 11. Just a friendly reminder, when our friends are exiting, we're not distracting everyone else from learning. They walk out quietly, you can give a silent wave. At your seats today, along with your independent work, along with your independent work, you'll have a word problem, okay? I'm going to have Alyssa read it. And as Alyssa's reading, I'm watching to make sure everyone's tracking up at the front.
Chloe has 3 10s and 2 1s. If Abel gives Chloe 1 more, how many will Chloe have?
So the first thing that you're going to do when you solve problems such as this is draw a picture. So Chloe has 3 10s and 2 1s. So let's figure out first, you need to sit in slant. What is the value of 3 10s and 2 1s?